Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is the algebraic identity, an equation that holds for every value of the variable, not just specific ones. By the end of this video, you'll know the difference between an identity and an equation and how to prove or use them. Definition. An algebraic identity is a relationship that's true for all values of the variable, written with 3 lines, the equivalent symbol, instead of 2 lines for equals. So x plus 1 all squared is identically equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1 for any x at all. Key insight. To prove an identity, expand both sides and show they match. Every term, every coefficient. To find unknowns inside an identity, substitute specific values of x that simplify the equation. Pick x equals 0, x equals 1, or whichever makes the algebra drop out. Smart choices save calculations. Common confusion. Equation versus identity. An equation is true for specific values of x, like x squared equals 4, which is true for x equals plus or minus 2. An identity is true for all values, every single one. Different concept, different symbol. Don't treat one as the other. Quick example. Prove that x plus 1 all squared is identically equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1.